Wagtail pages giving none URL with live status. I'm having some troubles with wagtail pages. From the shell. It worked for a while. I moved the blog page from the root to a blog index page in the wagtail admin, see models.py and for some reason, the page I moved disappeared from the admin, so I tried to repeat the steps I did by creating my database again with /manage.py and /manage.py created pages again, and now URLs are not showing up anymore. I added a breakpoint in wagtail core /models.py to see what's going on. Critical section seems to be around here. Self.url_path. Starts with root_path is never true in my case. Variables inside that loop. All of that means that my created pages are not rootable. I can still view my pages correctly using the preview mode from wagtail admin, but I can't find why there's no route to my pages frown. Here's my models.py.
Generally, you should create pages as children of the home page. Internally, this means that your blog index page will receive a URL_path of /home/blog/, and since /home/ is mapped to http ://localhost in the root_paths list, this will give it a final URL of http:. As you've seen, if you create pages at the root level alongside the home page, they will exist outside of the default site record, and so they won't have a rootable URL. However, you can set up additional sites through the Django admin interface at http:. For example, if you wanted to host your blog at this URL, you would create a site entry for that domain rooted at your blog index page.
If you want some more, be sure to subscribe.